Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be on the 5th position. Let's tap, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or actually cannot customize, because as you can see we cannot pick the date, time and the time zone. We cannot set them manually. It is because we are currently using the time and the time zone which are set automatically, so they are network provided. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date. And as you can see, right now we can pick the date from this calendar, so for example this one, tap on OK. In the same situation with the time, from this clock we can pick the time we want to use, so for example something like that, and as you can see it will be immediately applied on the status bar also. So the same situation also with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see you will be transferred to the full list of all available regions. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one. As you can see it has been set, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here we've got the time format option. So currently we are using local default, which is actually again the automatic option. So in order to set it manually we have to turn it off here, and now we can decide. Right now we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it will be again applied to the status bar. Of course, this is basically how to manually change the date and time. Of course, if you want to, you can get back to all previous settings. That's up to you. Just tap on those switchers, and basically that's all. So this is how to change the date and time in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.